Hello everyone, today we are going to solve the problem jump key 2. This is almost similar to the jump key problem we solved previously. In this problem, we want to find the minimum number of jumps to reach the last index. Okay, let's read the problem. You are given the zero index array of integer nums of length n. You are initially positioned at a nums of 0. Initially, we are positioned at the first index. Okay, we want to return the minimum number of jump to reach the last index. Given an example here, input is nums of array containing elements 2, 3, 1, 1, 4. Given output as 2. From starting index 0, we can jump max 2 jumps. Okay, jump to index 1, and from there we can jump to the last index. So the minimum number of jumps is 2. In the example 2, given nums array is 2, 3, 0, 1, 4. Here we can starting from the first index, we jump to the first index, and from there we jump 3 jumps to the last index. So in the minimum jump we took is 2. Given an array 2, 3, 1, 1, 4, we represent its index value. Let's define a range variable r1, where r1 is the range where that can be reached from the starting index with 0 steps or 0 jumps. Okay, the value at the index is 2. So from starting index or the 0th index, we can jump maximum up to 2 jumps. Okay, let's consider from starting index 0, it jumps to index 1, or it jumps to index 2. Okay, that can be represented as range r2. We can see that r2 can be reached from one jump from the starting index. Then considering the elements at a range r2, how we can reach the rest of the elements. From index 1 with the 3 steps, with the 3 jumps, we can reach the index 4, and from index 2 with the 1 jump, we can reach the index 3. That can be represented as the range 3. In the bracket we are given 2, which means that with the 2 jumps from the starting index, we can reach the range given r3. Okay, let's start coding. Here we define an int variable count equal to 0, which will be the minimum number of jumps from starting index to the end index of the array. Let's return that count. We also want to define another two variable. Let's say int low equal to 0 and high equal to 0, while high less than nums dot length minus 1. For int I equal to low, I less than I plus 1 plus plus. We want to define a new variable in the farthest set to 0. Set the farthest variable as maximum of then we want to assign the low and the high variable. Low variable will be high plus 1, and the high variable equal to the farthest element, farthest index. Okay, let's run this now. Sorry, we want to increment the count variable after each ranges we want to check. Okay, here we use the low and the high variable to represent the window size, and we want to reassign that value with the low as a high plus 1 and the high as the farthest element. Let's submit this code. Okay, thank you for watching this video.